We all approach our morning routine with a certain level of automaticity. We brush, we rinse, and we move on. But how much of that routine is actually doing the deep cleaning your mouth deserves? When you look at the reality of plaque buildup and gum health, standard brushing methods just don't cut it anymore. This brush, the Oral-B iO Series 9, changes the baseline for what we expect from a daily dental tool. I've spent months testing oral hygiene gadgets, and most of them just promise results they can't deliver. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, I bought this purely out of curiosity. Honestly, the problem isn't just that we brush too lightly. The real issue is the inconsistent pressure and the fact that even the best manual brushing misses those tricky interdental areas. I used to wake up with a feeling, a slight grit, that suggested something was being missed, especially near my molars. It was frustrating, knowing I was doing the motions, but not achieving the deep clean my gums needed. When I first started using the iO Series 9, I was skeptical. I expected it to be overly complicated, but the experience was surprisingly intuitive. One of the most valuable discoveries was the pressure sensor. It immediately signals red if I press too hard, which is a crucial learning curve for anyone who tends to brush with too much force. Another feature I found highly useful is the unique microvibration technology. It doesn't just brush, it gently massages and cleans the gum line. I also appreciate the inclusion of the travel case, which keeps everything contained and ready to go. The overall cleaning power, especially combined with the advanced brush heads, feels significantly more detailed than the high-end competitor models I've tested, which typically cost over $400. At $319, this device offers a remarkable level of technology and care. If I had to point out one minor drawback, it's that the initial charging cycle is quite long, making it less convenient for spontaneous travel use. Picture this, it's 6:30 a.m. on a Saturday. The sun is just catching the steam from your shower, and you are finally in front of the mirror. You run the brush over your teeth, and the subtle, gentle hum is the only sound. You feel the difference immediately, a clean sensation that lingers, making you smile wider. It's not just clean, it feels refined, like your teeth are starting fresh for the week ahead. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.